everybody, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. And today it's time to share with you our hot sealing valve assembly. And now let's see it together. And firstly, the outside package is blue VCI valve back. And here this is the product label. Label information include quantities and the product code is F00VC01200. And by the way, for the logo, label, packages, etc., or we can support customize this service. And now I will open it. Well, let's check the inside. The inside part is the transparent bottles, and it can be better avoid some damages during the translation. And inside, as you can see, the oil paper to wrap it up. For each product, like this kind of valve assembly, we Shumatt supply the 6-month warranty time in this period. If you are not set with the quality, return or exchange. That's the valve assembly. Okay, and now let's check the details. Firstly is the valve cap, and this is the valve rod. And on the valve cap, here it prints with the product code and the QR code. Okay, about this valve assembly, I hear Caitlin have the small tips for you. If you want to clean it, you can clean it with the oil, don't clean with the water. Okay, so much for the valve assembly introduction, so much for today. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.